Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna recreate a makeup look of Pia Wurtzbach when she was in Star Magic Ball. This photo right here. Once I saw that makeup look, I literally was blown away. She looks like $1 million. She looks so gorgeous and she looks like a Barbie doll almost. And then she has this blonde hair and very tan skin, and I really want to achieve that. So if you're interested in that makeup look, just keep on watching. So for this makeup look, I'm gonna start off with my eyeshadow. Since it's like a heavy eyeshadow, a smoky one, I want to do that first so that if ever I make mistakes, my foundation or my base could easily be saved. I'm gonna start off with the eyeshadow. And for this look, I think she has like a golden bronzy eyeshadow. So I don't know what products they use, but I'm just gonna try to recreate it using the products that I already have. So to prime my lids, I'm just gonna put on a concealer just to even out the skin tone. So for my eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use Back to Basics Burn Tones by Makeup Mecca. Using this shade, I'm gonna put it all around my eyelids. And then next, for my transition shade, I'm gonna use color right here called Burn Baby Burn. And then next, I'm gonna use this glittery bronze shade called Melted. Then I'll just try to blend it all in. For the outer part of my eye, I'm just gonna use a darker shade. This one right here. And then I'm gonna use a foil eyeshadow from the same brand, Makeup Mecca, in the color or in the shade Fateless. I'm just gonna use my finger because I find that easier. It made my eyeshadow look more intense. I'm gonna do the rest of my eyeshadow once I put on my concealer and foundation, because right now I only did the upper part. I haven't done here. Now I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. And then I'll go on with my foundation. For this look, I think she had a darker foundation just because she wants to achieve that very tan, bronzy look. For that, I'm gonna use a darker shade. But first, to prime my face, I'm using Benefit's Porefessional. And then I am gonna use Liquid Illuminator from this brand K-Spark. Then using a brush, I'm just gonna buff that in my skin. Don't forget the neck. And then using my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. Now you can really see that my skin tone has dramatically changed. And then I'm gonna use a concealer for my under eyes. For my contour, I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty. And then to set my face, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Translucent Powder and this MAC Prep and Prime Loose Powder. So for my under eyes, I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I am using something from Face Shop, I think. Yeah, the Face Shop. It has a spoolie on the other end, so that is quite convenient. And then I'm using this hypoallergenic mascara for my eyebrows. Yeah. And then to clean up the edges, I'm gonna use this Wonder Pencil from NYX. Using a flat brush, I'm gonna blend that. And then to complete my eyeshadow, I'm gonna do the rest. Going back to the palette, I'll mix Baby Burn and then Barbecue. Then I'm just gonna put a little bit of blush using Eye Magic. Then of course a bronzer. This is Glow Me by Makeup Mecca. I will curl my lashes now. And I'll be using Bambi lashes, also from Makeup Mecca. And then I'm just gonna finish off with, and then for her lipstick, she's wearing a really pale or nude lipstick. I don't know if I have that though. I try to stay away from that because I look really, pale. But what I do have is something from Elana, which is Love is Amazing. And then I'm just gonna finish off with a highlighter. This is from Becca Cosmetics. This is the one in Opal. I will finalize the look and then I'll be back. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look, and what do you guys think? Actually, I have a wig that looks exactly like Pia Wurtzbach's hair color. I actually ordered it from Wish. It's very cheap. I can put the link down below on the details section, and you can, if you want to purchase it, of course. I think the hair completed the look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!